In this video, I will show you how to buy Claude API. Look, I am on Claude AI. This is not a API platform. To buy Claude API credits and generate your key, you need to sign up on your developer account on Claude Console. So for this, here you will take a new tab. Simply search Claude Console and then go to here. So platform.claude.com. Here, at first, you need to create an account. You can just continue with Google or simply continue with email. So let me continue with Google, and here I will choose my account and successfully sign into this platform. Here you can see this is your developer dashboard. From here, at first you need to add fund to this. So you will simply click this add fund, or you can just simply go to this credit section. You can see this is credit section. Here you can just buy API credit. You will simply click buy credit. You can start with $5 and then you will put your credit card information here to buy API credit. Don't share your credit card to others. Keep it safe and secure. Let me buy $5 of credits to continue this video. Now you can see I added $5 to buy API credit, and when you have add your fund here, next you can just go to the API key section, and here you can create your API key. Let me click this create key, and I will simply continue with an API key. I will put the name of the API key. So this will be, for example, test Claude. Here you can choose the expiration. So I will choose never, and then let me click add this. So this is your API key. Don't share this API key to others. Keep it safe and secure. I will delete this API key when my video will end. Let me copy this API key and simply click done. Okay, your API key is created. Now, how to use it? To use it, for example, let me open Visual Studio Code, and here open the terminal and then command Claude. Here we can see we will choose the theme. So I will go with the default theme. Then here it says you need to log into your Claude account. So here are three ways. At first, you can go with if you have Pros, Max, Team, or Enterprise subscription. Or second option is go with Anthropic console account. So to use API billing, okay, I will go with the second one. It will reject you here, and now you need to authorize it. So it will generate API key on behalf of you. You don't have to do anything. Simply you can see it's done. And now here I will just continue, and you can see right now you can just use your API uses billing here. If you just type something and if I press enter, and see it will respond. And here how much you will use, it cost your API credit, and you can check that from here. From here you can see this is cost. You can just check that from here, or if you go to dashboard section to check the uses, you can just go to analytics and then you can see uses. So from here you can see all the token you uses from this dashboard.